In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the uploaded photos in Google Drive. Managing and organizing your photos within Google Drive is a breeze once you know how to quickly sort and view just the image files. Whether you're trying to reminisce, organize, or verify uploads, this guide will make it straightforward and simple. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by opening up your Google Drive. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a screen displaying all of your files and folders. The key to efficiently navigating through your content, especially when looking for something specific like photos, is using the filter and organization tools available in Google Drive. To begin filtering your files, direct your attention to the area where your file types are listed. Here, you will locate the option labeled Type. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu designed to help you sort your files according to their format or type. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to bypass the clutter and focus solely on the file types you need to see. After you've clicked Type, a list will appear, showcasing various options such as documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. Amidst these, search for the option titled Photos and Images. Selecting this option will refine your view, filtering your Google Drive to exclusively display the image files that you've uploaded. In one easy step, you've cut through potentially hundreds of files to highlight just the photos. As you scroll through the filtered photos, take note of any that might need tidying up or a quick check for proper resolution or naming. Google Drive's interface makes it simple to click on each photo for a preview. This can help you identify any duplicates or misplaced images. You might find it helpful to create folders to better categorize and store your photos. This step won't save your changes automatically, so ensure you save as you go. Remember, the search bar at the top is another excellent tool if you're looking for a specific image. You can type the name or date of the photo if you remember it, and the search feature will help pinpoint its location within your drive. And there you have it, a foolproof method to quickly access and view all your uploaded photos in Google Drive. By harnessing the sorting feature in Drive, you're able to efficiently and effectively manage your image files, leaving more time for the fun stuff, like cherishing those moments you've captured. Happy organizing, and don't forget to keep your drive tidy to maximize storage and efficiency.